Prepare yourself for the practice of Yoganidra. Lie down on your back on the floor in Shavasana, legs apart, toes falling on either side, arms away from the body, armpits free, palms facing upwards, fingers naturally curled, shoulders away from the ears, eyes and mouth gently closed. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Make sure that you're in a comfortable posture. Your hands and legs are comfortably placed. Adjust your body, adjust your posture in such a way that if you feel any discomfort, adjust it now. Make sure that your clothes are comfortable and not disturbing. Relax your whole body. Mentally say to yourself, relax. Your body is completely still, comfortable, and relaxed. Now take a deep breathe in and mentally chant the mantra Om. Om. This complete stillness and with complete awareness of the whole body, once again chant the mantra Om. Om. One more long, deep breath in. Breathe in and breathe out. Chant the mantra Om. Om. Affirm to yourself mentally that I am practicing Yoganidra and I will stay awake and still. Now you take the awareness to the sound, starting from the sounds farthest away, the sounds which are heard outside the building, the sounds of the vehicles or people talking outside the building, church bell or a temple bell. Just take the awareness to the sounds which are happening outside the building. Do not try to focus or concentrate or analyze the sound. Just take the awareness to the sounds. If you hear more than one sound, then move your awareness from one sound to another. Take your awareness to the sound alone. Now slowly take the awareness to the sound inside the room where you are lying down. Listen to the sound. Do not try to focus, concentrate, or analyze the sound. The sound of the clock, or the fan, or the air conditioner, or any small sound. Listen to the sound. Do not try to focus or concentrate or analyze the sound. Just take your awareness to the sounds. If you hear more than one sound, then you move your awareness from sound to sound. Now slowly take the awareness to the sound inside the body. Take the complete awareness to the sound of your breath, the sound of your heartbeat. Take a complete awareness to the sounds from your body. Now it is a time for Sankalpa. It should be a very simple and positive statement like I'm happy, I'm healthy, I'm thankful, I'm positive, I'm loving, I'm caring. It should be a simple statement, simple positive statement with complete awareness and feeling. Mentally state your Sankalpa 3 times. Mentally say your Sankalpa 3 times. Now you take the awareness to your body parts. Try to travel along with me. Either you can repeat the body parts or you can just take the awareness to the body parts. When I say right hand thumb, you just take your awareness to the right hand thumb. Now we will start from your right side. Right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, right thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, whole of your right side. Mentally say, relax. Now you take your awareness to the left side, left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, left thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, whole of your left side. Mentally say, relax. Now we take the awareness to the back of our body, back of your head, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, upper back, middle back, lower back, whole back and spine, right buttock, left buttock, right calf muscle, left calf muscle, right heel, left heel, whole of your backside. Mentally say, relax. Now we take the awareness to the front of our body, top of your head, forehead, both sides of the head, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the space in between the eyebrows, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, nose, tip of the nose, upper lip, lower lip, lower jaw, chin, throat, neck, right shoulder, left shoulder, right chest, left chest, middle of the chest, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, genital, whole of your front side. Mentally say, relax. Feel that you're breathing in a lovely, transparent bubble. Every time you breathe in, the bubble expands. Every time you breathe out, the bubble contracts. Now count the number of breaths backwards from 10 to 0. When you inhale, the stomach comes out, and when you exhale, the stomach goes in. Count from backwards from 10 to 0. Be careful not to lose the count or miss a breath. Relax your whole body and become aware of your heart. You should breathe deeply and be completely aware of each incoming and outgoing breath. Imagine the air that you're breathing in is in golden color, like a mist, and you're taking the golden mist into your body through the heart and spreading it about inside. Fill your body with the golden mist. Feel that every time you breathe in, you're cleaning out your whole body with this mist. Feel that every time you breathe in, it is giving you all the good qualities. It gives you all forms of goodness, love, happiness, cooperation, understanding, peace, and happiness. As you breathe out, all the things that you do not want or you do not like about yourself pass out of your body. All the unhappiness, anger, meanness, cruelty, dislikes, all these things are carried away by the golden mist. Become aware of your heartbeat. Listen to the steady sound of your heart. Imagine that in your heart the golden mist has formed into a very small golden egg. The golden egg breaks open and it is there in your heart sitting like a beautiful flower. It is sitting very still and silently and looking at you and sending you lots of love and happiness. You are filled with lots of love and happiness. This beautiful little being is sending you so much of love, and the more it gives, the brighter its light becomes. It is giving you so much of love that you're not able to keep everything with you. You're sending out all the goodness to all the people around you. Think of your parents your brothers and sisters, and send them this love out of them. Send out all your love to them. Think of all the sick people, unhappy people, and lonely people in this world and send them this love. Think of all the people you do not like, send out the love to them. Remember your friends and send them this love. The more you send out the love, the little being is filling out with more of love inside you. Now it is a time for the Sankalpa. Repeat the Sankalpa 3 times. Do not change the Sankalpa. Repeat the Sankalpa 3 times. When you feel comfortable, give a nice stretch to your body. Slowly you try to wake up. Have a nice day. Have a positive day. Have a blessed day. The process of Yoganidra is complete.